Okay, so this is another one, the S-shaped machine. I love it so much. Okay, so for this one we have two modes for you to choose. Okay, the first one is for the home use, and the other one is for the specialized use. Okay, so we can choose the different mode that you want. So right now we're going to open the first one, the cavitation one. Okay, so for this one you can choose the RF level and also the cavitation level. Okay, if you're the first one who are using it, I would suggest you to choose the level 3. Okay, so this one, and now we're going to click start. Okay, so this one we have the red light, and also we have the RF combined with the body cavitations together. So for the RF, it can help you to tighten your skin and also reduce the stretch mark, and also in the meanwhile, the body cavitation can help you to reduce the fat percentage, okay, especially on your belly or your bingo wing or the two sides of your waist. Okay, so for this one, okay, we're going to apply some gel on your belly, and then right now we're just simply doing like rolling or up and down or left and right. Okay, so this one, the function, the result is so quick. You can see the result. Use it for 1 month and you will see that your fat percentage will reduce a lot, and also your waistline will shrink at least for 2 inches. Okay, and every time you do it for 15 minutes. Okay, it's already automatically count down the time in 15 minutes already, so you can save you so much time. Okay, so this is the body cavitation.